Imagine stumbling upon a massive boulder resting in the middle of a grassy field, hundreds of miles from any mountain. These lonely giants are called glacial erratics, rocks that hitched a ride on ancient glaciers during the last ice age. As the glaciers slowly crept across continents, they picked up rocks and boulders, sometimes as big as houses. When the ice melted, these stones were left behind, often far from their place of origin. Each erratic tells a unique story of epic journeys, frozen rivers, and the incredible power of moving ice across landscapes.